Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Quizizz. This is the free online Quizizz lesson, activities and homework. This is a tutorial especially for teachers to help create assessment for your students. So here you can open quizizz.com. So this Quizizz, before you use it, you have to sign in. You have to sign up with your account. You can use your Google account for quick register. And here we go. After you sign in, this is like home page or explore page. So you can create a assessments. You can use the template, the trending middle school teacher template, geometry, algebra, and so on. Or you can create lessons. You can create from Google Slides, import slides from your Google Drive. You can also upload a PDF file, and also quickly add question with AI. So you can create lessons with help, the AI help. So here, for example, you can add media like video, audio, and image, fill with shape, stable, and this is the slide. So you can try to edit the slide and so on. And also there's a classes, so you can import a class or create manually. You can assign games with a click, get real student names, and monitor student progress. So you can synchronize class from Google Classroom if you use it, or Microsoft Teams. Also there's a paid integration available in school and district plans here, like Schoology, Clever, Canvas, and so on. And this is the accommodation, helpful option for your student to, such as extra times, translate, read aloud, and many more. This is the AI, so you can start creating with Quizizz AI. You can transform or generate your existing resources into engaging activities. So here, in order to enjoy all the feature, you can upgrade your account. So feel free to try to explore. You can create assessment lesson, interactive video, and also with help, the AI help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.